How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MSI Afterburner's grayed out voltage slider. So my interface is on the voltage slider right here. It's going to be on the bottom of the application. And if this seems to be grayed out similar to myself, where you can't edit out the voltage right here, what you want to do is to enable a setting onto the gear icon. Now, in most cases, it's going to be on the bottom of your screen, but once again, we have different interfaces out there. So you can just head over to the gear icon or the main setting of the MSI Afterburner. In here, you want to find a specific setting called the unlock voltage control. It's going to be under the compatibility properties. So just make sure that this is enabled. Select the MSI standard and then click apply. Click yes. This will restart your MSI Afterburner. And basically, after opening it back up, you will be able to now edit out the voltage slider the way you want to. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.